Hello, hello, hello. Welcome one more time. You are at Bitbrothers Crypto Life. One more time here with you. Today we have a very nice show for you guys. And remember, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, become part of the Bit family. Follow us on Twitter, Papa Bitbrother, Casquinha Crypto, and on Instagram, Bitbrothers underline crypto. Today we have a very nice show for you. You can leave your message on your comments there as well if you like, or any question on the comment lines. Remember to do follow and share our content or this live with the people that you believe that will help them. Remember that our mission here is to expand the knowledge of crypto to the world. So, and through our channel here on YouTube, it's easier to reach much more people for the mainstream to become even more aware of crypto. So, guys, crypto is the future, and that's why we are here today and every day, bring to you the best informations, opportunities within the crypto that we believe that have tremendous potential in order to get to make you wealth and expand your gains. So today we have a nice show for you. Welcome. I am Casquinha Crypto.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. Thank you for being part of the Bit Familia. So like Casca said, please help us share our content. So this week has been a bit on a downtrend, but today actually we recovered, right? So what does that mean really? That means that I think listening to everything in the world of crypto and to the geopolitical kind of atmosphere that's happening, checking out, I think the market's starting to get apart from what's happening in the world. I mean, the Russia and Ukraine war and what's happening in America intervening and the sanctions that they're going to put into Russia. I think the markets start to be like disconnected to that because we can see a reaction today, right? So we like when we see it going down, it's because everybody is kind of predicting that something's going to happen. But now I think everyone is very clear that we shouldn't be much attached to that because the ecosystem, the projects are really strong fundamentally. So I think it's amazing that people more and more see this and detach themselves to the world economic. Yeah, because if you think about Bitcoin is the solution for all these problems we're having, all the centralized, everybody trying to take over the economical world. So I think Bitcoin comes to solve this problem. And every time I hear people saying this, it makes me like it's actually I feel really great because I think, man, I think we are in a moment in history that we are living something that's gonna be phenomenal. I was thinking sometimes to myself, saying, man, I was wondering what my great grandkids gonna well, my grandkids gonna say, "Oh, my grandfather was there. He had Bitcoin. Today, my life is sorted." I'm thinking generations ahead. So, and I want to be this person that's gonna get my future generation sorted for life because I was lucky enough and clever enough. I would think so to enter this thing at the right time, and this is the right moment we are living right now. Okay, and here and into the next 5 to 10 years, please. But of course, the earlier we get, the better and more resource we're gonna get out of it, and the more we're gonna learn. And in the future, it's gonna be like our day-to-day life. Remember, if you don't know anything about what's happening, just start to watch us. Watch the crypto world. Check the things we say here to you. Show the website we show you. Start to study slowly because, like the computers in the 90s, no one understood. Only the people who developed, really, isn't it? So I remember as a kid trying to go like on the computer, and I remember that at the time it was DOS and everything was in code. So in order to, my uncle was a great computer tech. So he had a very important job at IBM in Brazil. and he was super, super clever. One of the highest IQs in Brazil at his time. I remember he's got the key of my town because he was so clever. He got first place in a very, very strong school called ITA, which is like the from the Navy, from the no the how's it called, the airspace kind of things, like the NASA of Brazil kind of thing. And then he got first place in the school, and then so, and he was showing us. I remember me as a kid watching him going crazy on the computer, and I was like, how does he know this stuff? And it couldn't even come to my head. And then, of course, nowadays everybody takes a computer, and my kids go to the computer, and sometimes they find things more than I do because it's their generation, right? So their generations find so easy to go into the computer and do everything. So I think if you're entering now, that's how we want it to be in the future, right? Know everything what's happening. We're gonna easily think, know, understand what a MetaMask is, what's a network is, how to put a network on the MetaMask, how to open wallets. We're gonna have many wallets. You're gonna understand about this decentralized finances. You're gonna understand about NFTs, and it's very important for you guys to make sure you stick to us, help us share this content because that's the future. Okay, and enough talking from me. Let's go to the charts, to the what's happening today with the Bitcoin. And I have some nice news and some nice let's say ideas to what to do at this moment. Yeah, like I said, this is still very volatile, the times, so I don't think it's a time for you to really go full on and invest. Of course, always saying DCA as much as you can on the dips. So we say a nice strong recovery here. We reached 36,000 2 days ago, and we are back at 38,850. So we're showing a very, very strong support at 38,000, really. And so they're 33% on Bitcoin. So Ethereum 4.50. So again, remember, guys, every time Bitcoin hold strong, all the other altcoins is gonna hold even stronger. Yeah, so it's still, you can see still a lot of stable coins on the like 20 first coins on the market cap. So there's a lot. There's DAI, there is Terra UST, there is Binance USD. They're all on the top 20. All the stable coins are in the top 20. Okay, you can see Polygon Matic, wow, a 10% recovery, guys. That's crazy. Coming from 12% on the week, and just today recovered 10%, which is great for us. You see Cosmos already recovered for the week, isn't it? Chainlink is a disappointment a little bit because Chainlink for me is one of the strongest oracle there, and it's connected to everything. Every day you scroll down on the internet, you find Chainlink connected to this, Chainlink connected to that. I just saw yesterday actually Chainlink connect to, was it PostX or PostChain, something like this. So Chainlink is connecting to everything, but still the price doesn't go according to that. So that's why, guys, I think these are the stronger projects we should really be looking to it, that the price is not matching the fundamentals. So how come Chainlink, guys, is like 75% below its all-time high? I think all-time high for Chainlink was $55. Let's check here. So I'm, in one way, I'm so kind of upset because it's annoying really to see a project that's doing so good and the price is not reacting accordingly to how much they see. $52, guys, for the all-time high, right? So we're like 14. Oh my god, it's 3-4x to Chainlink, to just reaching all-time high. So you're gonna tell me this is not a good buy? It's crazy. It's not financial advice, but come on, guys. Chainlink at $14 is a bargain. Another bargain that we keep talking about, although especially lately it hasn't done much, is the Polkadot, isn't it? We don't hear really much Polkadot because Polygon, Phantom, Avalanche, and Terra took over the news, isn't it? Like, look at that. Terra Luna 12%, and everything was down red, and Terra Luna was 5% up. So then you can see And then, but then talking about Polkadot again, you see, same thing here to Polkadot, 11% in a week, but just 5% on the day, which is disappointing. From Polkadot also, all-time high of Polkadot, I think was a bit less than Chainlink. I think was like maybe 40 something. Let's see how much. And see, probably another 55 is higher. Yeah, that was 55. I said, I remember Polkadot is 55, Chainlink 52, and Polkadot is 55. And it's how much now? $17. See, so it's also another 3-4x there, easily, as only by reaching the all-time high, not even in price discovery mode, just reaching the all-time high, you'll have 4x's there. And then if you take into account, like Ethereum is probably just like 50%, no, it's like 30% to his all-time high, yeah, 30% below his all-time high, and then it's crazy to think about that. So Solana as well is recovering really well. Okay, but what I wanted to talk to you about today is the fear index is still on extreme fear, which in one way again is very good to buy. Remember, every time there's blood in the street, buy. That's what the big investor says all the time. And I'm trying to live my life by where the money is, right? So always trying to follow the money, where the big investor, what the biggest investors do, they follow the money. There is a chart I'm going to find for you. I forgot to find today. I had in my mind, which is, there is a chart where they show where the biggest investors are, what the biggest investors are investing. And I really wanted to bring that to you today, and I forgot, I'm sorry. But next live, I'm going to try to bring that index to you. They show where the biggest investors in the world are investing, like, and they show stocks, what kind of stocks they're buying. So I think it was a great thing to do. Velvet Maxi 88 Velvet, he says more or less 3.3 years. So he says that every 3.3 years this is happening. In one way, you can see this is very, very bullish. Yeah, so same capitulation, same bottom here, reach there, and then go slightly side, and then boom. Okay, so he says that we are there. We still, by his graphic here, you can see we still have some sideways action to go. Yeah, which I believe also Casca did a very nice TA on Bitcoin, and although he's not a specialist, I think he's becoming quite like a nice predictor, can I say predictor, someone who predicts well. So it's going according, his graph is really good. So I think we're going to still have some side actions for Bitcoin, and then I believe we still very, very much to see. And also we can see this by the news on Cointelegraph saying Ethereum to 10K, classic bullish reversal pattern hints at potential ETH price rally. Ethereum attract roughly 18.36 million new addresses to its network in 2021. 18 million people, guys, have a new address on Ethereum. Ethereum native token Ether could reach above 10 grand in the coming weeks at its paint what appears to be ascending triangle technical pattern. So it says, of course, if you're a TA, you know ascending triangle means like a very, very strong upside pattern there. So, and of course, you can see here the triangle. What they say is as soon as you reach the end of the triangle is where you boom, you explode. And Ethereum is reaching that. So that's very, very bullish. Another one is also for Bitcoin. You can see here, Bitcoin traders mark levels to watch as Bitcoin price bounces to 39K. So this is very bullish too, isn't it? So we can see a strong comeback for Bitcoin is due to meet likely rejection should come 40,000, come back into play. Analyst warns. Of course, we still holding strong at 38, but 40,000 is a very, very, very strong resistance. And, you know, we probably going to have problems there, but everything indicates that we're going very, very good. So today, what I wanted to show you guys, so as everything is super volatile, so I wanted to show what should we do, guys, to maximize our gains, right? I showed this before, CoinDix. It's a website where you can see the best APY and APRs of that's happening in all the chains here. Okay, so you can see there's everything that goes into land. So if you go today, best votes on DeFi, so you check that. What's the best percentage? So for example, today Frax, it's a stable coin. Yeah, Frax is a very nice stable coin, which is backed by half by algorithm and half by money, which USDT, you know, it's all backed by money, and UST is all algorithmic coin. Yeah, and Frax is half and half. So they're giving guys base APY, 29% base APY. So that's super good. If you think about it, you just have no risk, right? Because it's a stable coin. Okay, Frax is stable coin. It's a new stable coin. I haven't heard much of Frax, but so to know if it's a very secure coin to be, but it's something to look at, and it's very strong. So you go to Coindex, and then you can look. I said this before. You can look at every coin and every ecosystem. What's the best there? There is a lot of LP coins as well, so liquidity provider coins, which gives insane, but of course they bring risks, right? You know that the liquidity providers, they bring risk, because if the money devalue too much, you lose the price, and then so, but anyway, you can study that after. So I think the stable coins at this time is really good. So one of the best at the moment everybody's talking about is the UST on Anchor protocol. So you put your UST there, you get 19.44%. And apparently the UST, the Terra Luna Foundation, they just put another $450 million to back that up, so they can keep paying you 19.44% on your UST. That's insane. So that's for sure. It's gonna be me and Casco. We always talk. As soon as we can reach a little bit higher, take a lot of our profits, it's gonna go into that for sure. Maybe they're gonna make it lower the interest rate, but there are still lots of opportunities in US and in USDT and Frax. And of course, if you don't want to get rid of all your coins on the once the bear market starts, you can still check here Coindex and go for Phantom, for example, and see where's the best you can best invest your Phantom. Okay, and then there's like magic money, there's 18%. So you can study this website here and check how. So you can put your Phantom here symbol and check what this is, the Phantom ecosystem. And let's see on the Ethereum ecosystem. No, what is it? No, there. Let it. So just take, and then let's try to find Phantom. See what they have. No results. That's really strange. LP stakes. Yeah, you can find on LP stakes 1,000,000% on Beefy. Yeah. So if you put the P Phantom with normal Phantom, see, this is crazy things, but again, it doesn't sustain so long, but it's something for you. You could have a look. 8,727% on 2 ohm, now, which is the other one like Tomb Finance, but then they have the 2 ohm and the 3 ohm now apparently. So, and then it's another one, 8,000%, 800% on T-Share and Phantom, and that's how it goes. Okay, so have a look at this, coindix.com, stud that. You're probably gonna get very good interest rates there. Cool. Thank you very much, guys. Casca now is with you with the best news ever.
What's up? Guys, there is some very... Listen, crypto is booming around the world. Mexican Senate to propose crypto law. We need Bitcoins as legal tender. So it's not only El Salvador, Russia, there is other countries starting to boom on crypto, to be very bullish on crypto themselves. And El Salvador reporting on case of positive impact on the country Bitcoin adoption. A government official in Mexico has once again urged that the country should follow El Salvador example on Bitcoins. Idira Kempis, a senator representing Nuevo León state, is confident that Bitcoin should be legal tender in Mexico because its adoption can potentially drive global financial inclusion. So the Senate is now developing a cryptocurrency bill based on the El Salvador Bitcoin law. This is awesome. Riba, riba, muchacho, banga, banga. Okay, you can see there the Pili Gonzalez ahí with the hat, Mexican hat in the Bitcoins. So not only this, more news about that. Bill to regulate crypto in Brazil for first time heads to Senate's vote. The largest Latin America country could soon be the latest to regulate crypto, which lawmakers hope will increase in its use across the country. And we're talking about Brazil here. And me, myself, and Papalego, we are from Brazil. We are originated. We were made in Brazil. We are made
We're
in Brazil.
originated.
We are originated. Although we are originated, we are made in Brazil. The Brazilian Senate, it sets to vote on bill which could make the country the biggest in Latin America to regulate cryptocurrency. Interesting. The crypto bill was anonymously approved by the Senate Economic Affairs Committee on the February 22, potentially increasing the chance that it will pass a vote on the Senate floor. Once passed by both the Senate and the lower house, it will be sent to the president, blah, 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 to be signed into law. The president, blah, blah, blah.
As always. President,
All right,
blah, blah,
so
blah.
as you can see, cryptocurrency, it's booming around the globe. I have seen something very interesting here for the XRP. Where did I see this? Anyway, XRP might win the law thing. Another news I have for you, very interesting, is this.
Hey, God. How is it again?
What?
The XRP?
The XRP may have a chance to win the suit, the lawsuit. But it's taking
It's
so
like most probable is gonna happen,
most
guys.
probably, yes. It's taking so long that I'm like, the news about XRP.
I saw you're not very bothered with the news. They
It's
might win.
when XRP. I love XRP, by the way. XRP Army. Leave your comments but until these parts of the lawsuit get solved, the next steps take over. It's just like it's old news, but old news, good news. Old news is still new news. Anyway, Peter Schiff, which is an economist, and gold seller, economist, and a gold seller. He now have so he say here, now I have officially thrown down the gauntlet on Hex, knowing that Richard Hartwin has already picked it up and agree to debate me, not just about Hex, but about cryptocurrency in general, Bitcoins in particular, and gold. Secure your place here. Anyway, if you've not heard about this, tonight at 10 o'clock UTC time, there is a debate between Peter Schiff and Richard Hart, which I believe is going to be.
That's going to be the next level.
It's going to be spicy because Peter Schiff, he basically hates cryptocurrency, and Richard Hart, he brings the flag of crypto. He would be the superhero for cryptocurrency in order to defend cryptocurrency, not only Hex, but they will talk about Bitcoins and so on and so on. And probably Richard will try to show him that the potential and how important cryptocurrency is. So if you want, you go to this site here. I can actually leave on the comment in case you want to join this, and you can put your email there, whatever they ask. here, and you're gonna get a link for you to go and you're in 7 hours. In 7 hours from now, so it's gonna be a very interesting debate. I'm gonna definitely watch this live, and it's nice to watch live and to see two strong personality weaving cryptocurrency and economy in the world and debating about freedom, basically, right? What else? Bitcoin. This is my chart of 1 week candle. As we can see here, I'm still bullish on Bitcoins. I think we are in a trend period, of trend, but not in a bear. We are in a bear trend and not in a bear market. Meaning, in a trend, it's gonna last for a little while, but not in a bear market, which will last for a long time. I think we are in
Downtrend,
the
man. Downtrend, but not bear market.
no, in a bear trend, né? We are in a bear trend, not in a bull trend. We are in a bear trend, in a period of time that we are in bear, in red. Okay, so if you see here, especially here on the RSI here, we can see here those date August to November, and here as well, November to January, and down here as well, we can see here March. We are in a bear trend again here, March 21 to July 21 last year, okay, in a bear trend, as you call it. And the same, I am expecting this as we went up and we stayed in an uptrend from August, end of August, September to November, 3 months here, 3 months here. So I'm expecting for us to be here in a bear here. I have a new offer for my NFTs. 17 of more or less December 21 to May 16th of May 2022 to start to go up again at some point here. So I'm saying here 11th of April, it might go farther, we don't know, to 27th of June in order to Bitcoins goes up there. And then after there, drop again to another, maybe then bear market, along, as you see here, a long bear markets, right? So can even hear here, October, or here, December to December. 1 year, this is 1 year practically of bear markets, right? December 17 to 24, December 18, right? So I believe this is going to happen eventually here. But after we do another bull run, that's what I think. Papa, I'm going to mute you because you have, I can hear my voice through your computer. ETH, what's happened to ETH? This is a candle, daily candle on ETH. And if we look here at the daily candle on ETH, we can see here that I have a second, first trend line here. I still think that ETH might drop to $2,000. Might. Let's see in a weekly candle as well to see here. Similar what I did to Bitcoins. Bear in mind that I'm not a TA. This is not a financial advice. This is just a speculation from somebody who like to check those stuff. So as you can see here, September to November 2001, and we saw here June to August, June, July, August, 3 months more. Normally it's 3 months, and here getting to that 3 months as well. February, ends of February. So I have a first uptrend line here on April 11 and April 25th to start to go up in that, but be in a bull run, let's say, between March and May. We don't know if this is gonna happen, but again, only speculation. You can see here in the last couple of hours, it's everything being green, which is great. That means things start to move up a little bit, which is nice. We see some green candles in the daily candle. This is very nice for the market. But I still believe we are in fear. Papa told spoke a little bit already about some coins. There is some bargain. Hex at 15 cents. You guys know that we like Hex a lot here in the channel. It's 15 cents, so it's not bad at all to accumulate. Yeah, even Shiba. Shiba, it's doing a green candle now. There's a lot of green candles on the daily candle. So it's a lot of coins to keep your eyes on it. I don't believe it's time to sell anything right now, but keep your position and of course be open for opportunities that may arise. What else, Papa? Do you have anything else? News we have. What's happening at the moment within. There is a liquidity loan investment that I've been saying to you guys, this project here. You can go on my Twitter or go to our YouTube channel and you can click on this link here on my Twitter. So this is my referral link that will take you there. You can use and do sacrifice, and then will work exactly like POSEX. I am thinking, guys, to do maybe at some points, maybe me and Pap will do a half an hour or something like this. Do a live on the POSEX post-chain project as we get into the ends of the POSEX project here, sacrifice phase. Another 2 days, over $1 billion being sacrificed, and as you can see here, finish in 2 days. So it's gonna be very interesting. Maybe we could do a live on this only to talk about this project and other projects along sides with post-chain. I think that's it. Anything else, Papa? Are you bullishing any project at the moment, Papa?
I think everyone should really look this video of liquid loan. I'm bullish on liquid loan and I'm bullish on Hex and POSEX. So check our videos and keep up with this, guys, because when it comes out, it's gonna be huge.
No
That's
financial
it.
advice.
Not financial advice.
I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, if you're here and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel because this is very important to us. Okay? And we see you on the next video. Take care, my friends, and we see
Take
you.
care, guys.